Sprint Alerts report is one of the class reports available to educators through a Zearn Math Teacher account. This video will provide a detailed walkthrough of all of the data and insights in the report. Teachers can use the Sprint Alerts report to identify students who may need support strengthening fluency skills. Before we dive into the data in the report, let's start with what a Sprint Alert is. Sprints are one type of lesson-aligned fluency activity included in each independent digital lesson and are designed to build and strengthen core math foundations for 1st through 5th grade students. Each sprint has 2 rounds of questions where we encourage students to answer as many questions as they can to strengthen their math mindsets and work to continuously improve. After each round, students check and correct their work. If a student answers fewer than 10 questions correctly in both rounds of the sprint, a Sprint Alert is generated for the teacher. Let's see what those alerts look like in the teacher's report. Each alert comes in the form of a card, like this. The card includes the student's name, the specific lesson the sprint is in, and the date the alert was generated. Here we can see that in Grade 4, Mission 3, Lesson 3, Jessie completed 7 questions correctly in the first round of a sprint, and 5 in the second round. The left side of the report offers multiple options for filtering sprint alerts. The first is by date. You can limit the date range to view alerts for a select time period. Alerts can also be sorted by student. Clicking a student's name provides all the alerts associated with that student. The last filter is by content. You can use this filter to sort sprints by specific math concepts. Content with associated sprint alerts are bolded in this list so they can be spotted more easily. Click the small plus to expand a content category and view the different subcategories. If we expand rounding, for example, we can see a sprint alert was generated for a student during a rounding to the nearest 100 sprint. Teachers can use this data to plan flex day activities that help students strengthen fluency skills in specific areas. If you combine filters by selecting date, student, and content options, the report will narrow the results to only display alerts that meet all of the selected conditions. To remove any filters or return to viewing all alerts, simply deselect the specific content, student, or date, or click Clear All. Sprint alerts can also be sorted to help you quickly find the data you need. Alerts are sorted by date newest by default, showing the most recent sprint alerts at the top of the screen. Changing the sort to date earliest will reverse the order, moving the alerts triggered earliest in the year to the top. Visit the Zearn Help Center to learn more.